Hi everyone, today I'll show all of the color options that Grip6 offers for their classic belt series. So this is the Foxtail. Just want to show you the color rendition of the item. I'm going to go through all the buckles first. So this is the red. This is the black. I think I got this one here. So this is the black. This is how it looks like. Okay. There's granite or silver. Right. The blue. And the gunmetal. Alright. Now I'm gonna show you the belt colors. So this is the red. Right. This is the black. This is the olive. Can be said as green color. The navy blue. Right. This is the brown. Right. And this is the gray. Alright. And in case you're wondering, this is the belt hanger that they have. Alright. Alright, so here are the colors, just to show you guys how it looks like before your purchase. So thank you so much everyone for joining by, and if you find this really helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.